So today I'm building a set of GR531 gravel wheels, DT Swiss of course, paired with some lovely DT Swiss 240 hubs for SRAM XDR. We're going to use DT Swiss competition spokes. We have swapped the alloy nipples out for the brass equivalent for the Pro Head reinforcement system, which pair really nicely with the washers and the whole overall rim system. It's a really good way to build a wheel, and they are just going to be a lovely dialed in set of wheels that are rated up to 130 kilograms. They're going to be 28 hole on the front, 28 hole on the rear. So don't worry, this isn't the hub we're going to be using, but it does have a nice cutout so we can see the nice internal goings on of a DT Swiss 240 hub. Now all DT Swiss hubs are engineered over many years to give you longevity, performance, and increase the bearing life. So they put a lot of focus onto the forces that come onto the bearings, both radially and axially. So it's all taken into account, and this is why DT Swiss hubs don't need a preload adjuster. So some hubs have a little thread that means you can set the preload on the bearings, whereas this hub has already been set. So by the time you put it into the frame, pressures on the bearing are just sweet, and they will give you loads and loads of longevity. For example, I had a 240 hub I used in Scotland all year round for years and years, winters, anything. It was just as good after 3 years of use, of heavy use. The hubs were just like new. And that's a real world example. So these are beautifully engineered from Switzerland, as you can imagine with the name. And what we have here is the new Ratchet EXP system. So on the 240 hubs, you get Ratchet EXP. So you've got two ratchets. Let's see if I can just pull it up. One is embedded into the hub shell. So that means on the outside, you can have a bigger bearing, which obviously bigger bearings last longer and are just generally happier. So yeah, this is a lovely Swiss designed hub, and it's going to give the user loads and loads of life. So there's a little cutout. If you want to find any more information out about DT Swiss hubs, go on their website because they can explain it infinitely better than I can. So let's start building. There we have high-end alloy gravel wheel, hand-built to the strictest and tightest tolerances, fully guaranteed. We guarantee all of our wheels for the life of the wheel, and we never have any back because I put loads and loads of effort into building them really well. So the GR531 is a great rim. It's got an internal width of 24 mil, so it's really good for tyres for 35 upwards up to kind of 50 mil, 35 mil to 50 mil. They do a 650B option. And just to show you what I was talking about in terms of the hub, and how it spins, and how DT Swiss puts so much engineering into the performance of the bearings and the load on the bearings, I'll just give this a little spin. And while that spins, I'll show you this other one that's going out for a customer. So this is also exactly the same build, 240 hub, but with an RR481 rim. So this is another rim that's a great choice. Again, it's got the Pro Head reinforcement system with the washers and the nipples, but this one has an internal width of 22 mil. So traditionally it was like a cyclocross rim, but actually it's been adopted for wider road tires, as that is the thing that people like to do, is wider road tires. So this is good from say 28 mil all the way up to kind of 35, optimized really kind of 30, 32. So that's another wheel that's a really good option and really popular, and one I think we're going to build for our own bike, the Genesis. So there you go, two beautiful wheels from DT Swiss. We've got the GR531 and the RR481, good to go. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or if you like what we do, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.